Sun's just coming out. We're getting up and ready to fly. And then the goal is up here.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
Blow the candle out. We'll be here together. We've said all that we need to say. Focus on my breath. Listen to my chest. Let the pressure fade away.
Okay, we're on the way now. We're getting there. Only like 600 more meters of height. But yeah, we got a shot in the morning and then we went back to sleep for like 2 hours. And now we're on the way. Looks good though. And she's doing very well. So windy, like you probably can't even hear me. God damn, I really want to fly like over there, like through over here on this side with the shadows and the snow. I think it looks really cool. But I might just try. But we have to go down out of the wind a bit. Let's go. But look at this. Let's go.
I don't wanna talk anymore, I just wanna believe that every time we touch, the way touch is a sweet release. So hold me in your arms, I don't want you to leave. 'Cause every time we touch, the way touch is a sweet release.
Done. It's a wrap. Almost at the car now. Overall great hike, great flight. almost lost connection a few times, but I got the drone back, which is always #1 priority. But yeah, we didn't bring enough water, so
Of course.
we're thirsty. Oh, we almost got it.